Cooktop, my GE Cafe Gas Cooktop CGP650set knob won't turn.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
5 years?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. I may also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Thank you. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, please ignore IT. Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you? And the number you have given of CGP650 is only approx half of the full model number.
CGP650set.
Well, you're getting there, but you're still missing the last 3 digits. Like this CGP650 set 1 SS CGP650 set 2 SS CGP650 set 3 SS CGP650 set 4 SS.
CGP650 set 1 SS.
Thank you. Give me a few minutes to pull up information on this model. I am also assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Okay, and which burner is this issue on?
Far right front.
Okay, under the knob is a shaft from that burner's gas valve. The gas valve has seized up and will need to be replaced. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here.
Thank you.
No problem. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box. Just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.